How to use Tidio Chat in WordPress. Follow my instructions. If you want to boost conversions and reply to visitors instantly, Tidio Chat is one of the best live chat plugins for WordPress. Here's how to set it up and start using it. First, go to your WordPress dashboard. Click on Plugins, then Add New. Search for Tidio and click Install Now. Once installed, click Activate. Now you'll see a new Tidio tab in your sidebar. Click it to start connecting your site to Tidio. Create a free Tidio account or log in if you already have one. Choose your chat widget color and welcome message. You can also enable chatbot automations for faster replies. Once you complete setup, the chat icon will appear on your website. Visitors can now message you in real time from any page. You'll get their questions inside your Tidio dashboard. Install the Tidio mobile app to chat on the go. You can also set automated replies and collect emails, all from inside the Tidio panel. Want even more power? Connect your Tidio with Messenger, Instagram, or email. That's how you boost conversions with Tidio Chat on WordPress in 2025. Thanks for watching.